Alright everybody, unfortunately this print has ended in failure. It made it 90 hours into a 96-hour print before this started flashing red and saying that the extruder, thermal extruder issue. So when this flashes red, when you have a red code error as they're called, the print is not recoverable. It resets and is unrecoverable, which absolutely blows, because now we are once again stuck with a ton of wasted filament in this print because something failed on this extruder. Oh, this is incredibly disheartening. This was a very long print. We've been looking forward to this for 4 days. It was right at the finish line, and this happens. What's funny is we were literally making a video praising this machine on its effectiveness and its efficiencies against not wasting filament, and here we have this print that just wasted a ton of filament. That whole roll, these are about half now, all three of them. Well, the brown 3/4-ish, but still a ton of wasted filament on this, plus time, extra print hours that this machine just burned up on for no reason. This is the new Prusa XL. The old one's still doing its thing over there. So we are going to once again be stopping this print and restarting it. Yes, I do know that you can split this print into two and have a splice line in it, but I don't want a splice line. The way that this is set up, you can see right there, there's the leg joints. So it was at its final end here. It was almost ready to complete. Just 6 hours away, and we had some thermal issues on this. We are going to try and update it. The firmware, it's on the 6.2.0 alpha. I think somebody said there was a new firmware, so we're going to go check that. I don't know if they've addressed that specific issue with it, if it was just a one-off error on this. These do have the silicone socks on the extruders here. Nice and gentle. Ugh. You can see there. Oh yeah, this one split when it crashed in our last video. You saw where it caught the print and shredded it. It shredded off that thermal sock on that. So yeah, anyway, sad update, boys. I was hoping to show you this finished thing. We'll get this thing off the print bed and at least show you what it was going to look like, and we'll give this one more go before we try and figure out something else. Alright, well, we got it off the print bed, we got it cleaned up. You can see here, here's the other one that failed due to the layer shift, as you can see right there. This one obviously finished much better. Was looking really freaking good, man. This was going to be such a cool print, but yet again, delayed. Oh, heartbreaking, man. Overall, everything else looks really good. Quality's great, seams great, lines are awesome, colors are great. Just for whatever there is in this freaking devil will not finish the print. So we're going to change up a few things on the slice. We are going to update firmware, and we're going to give this another go. I'll get you guys updated here as this thing goes along, but 96-hour print failed at 90 hours. Alright, so we're trying to print it again. This is the error that it caused the print to stop, and now it is stuck doing this. We checked things, checked the wiring, didn't see any issues on anything, on any extruders. Not sure why it's having issues. We'll have to dig a little deeper into it, but this is where we're stuck at now. Alright, so I think we found the issue on this one. It is tool head number 4 here. The thermistor. This is supposed to be between 80 and 125 is sitting at 85.9. That is correct. And then the hot end is supposed to be between 12 and 15, and we are getting absolutely nothing. No reading whatsoever out of it, which means we have got a broken wire somewhere in this thermistor, or in the heater, excuse me. So we'll be replacing the heater on this hot end. That little $3 part just cost me a 4-day print.